Hello everyone, this is a demo on how to set up SchoolCam for your school. You will create first an account as an administrator for your school. To do that, you go to the admin website, which is admin.schoolcamapp.com, and the link is in the description of the video. And after that, you're gonna log in with your Google account. So here I'm gonna click on login with Google, and you will select your school associated Google account to log in, and we'll go through these prompts, basically granting access to SchoolCam to the files that it needs to create. And then you're gonna give a name. So I'm gonna choose demo school here, and then continue. The next step is to choose the base folder for your school. And here we strongly recommend to use a shared drive, a folder in a shared drive. So for that, you will go to your Google account and to your Google Drive. And then what we recommend is to create a new shared drive, and let's call this SchoolCam Drive. And then inside of it, so it's gonna create it, and inside of it, you would create a new folder. Let's just call it SchoolCam. And then once that is done, then this will serve as your base folder. Basically, all the photos collected will end up here in different subfolders, which I will explain a bit later. So let's go back here to upload cam, and I'm gonna say, okay, pick, and then I will go and choose the shared drive that I just created, which is this one, SchoolCam Drive, and the folder I created. So I will select that, and then that will create my team. Okay, so this way we have the first step finished of creating the team. Now, here on the team page, basically right now I'm just one, but I'll be able to start inviting the staff and the teachers. So for that, you could do it either manually, one by one, if you wanted to start a test pilot with a few users, or you could actually invite a lot of them via CSV file. And we have some instructions on how you could export the list of your staff from the Google admin console and import it here. But for now, for this example, I'll start just with a single user. And so I'm gonna start inviting an initial user, and I will enter their email address, obviously the one associated with the school. I can give it roles, but if it's just a teacher, then these roles would not be applied for them. And then here's a checkbox that says enable user default folder, and basically that will create a folder that will be assigned as their default folder for this particular user. So I will do that. That folder will end up in the drive or in the folder that we had set up in the beginning. So I will invite this user, and then that will trigger an email. They will receive an email, and then they'll be able to use the app on their iPhone or on their Android device to log in, which I'll show you in a minute. So here's the user I just invited, and let's go and check on SchoolCam on Google Drive. Inside of the folder we had created, you will see that there is already one folder that is already shared with that person. Okay, so here we have our users. And now let's see how that looks for this particular user. So here on the left, I'm gonna show you what the experience would look for the teacher, right? So here in the iPhone simulator, I will show you as if I was the teacher that was invited. So I will log in here. Again, they'll have to select the school associated Google account, and here continue. Now this is important. It gives access to create and edit the files that the app creates, nothing else. And then continue. Okay. And then the first time they join, they'll get this prompt saying you have been invited to this school to collaborate. So then they'll have to accept here, and now they'll be part of the team. So if I refresh here, now the invite for this user has been accepted, and then the user can actually go and see their base folder, so they can start immediately taking photos into their base folder. So if I tap here and then I go through these permissions. Then I'll start taking photos. Here is a simulator, so there is no camera, but it generates some images. So if I start taking a couple photos, I go here and they immediately start getting uploaded. So this the app will automatically and immediately upload photos to the designated folder. They do have a setting here to stop, not to upload immediately, but when they want. So let's go and take another couple photos here, and then you will see that they'll end up here in the uploads tab. And then if I hit start, then these photos will start immediately going to the user folder. Now, on our drive, on Google Drive, you will see now that inside of this folder, the user folder, we have the 4 images that we took, and they're already, basically ready here in Google Drive. Now, the user has also the option of either selecting their base folder where they want to upload the photos, or they can choose any folder in their Google Drive. Okay, so they can go here and they say, okay, I want to upload these photos to a different folder, and then they can choose anywhere in their drive, in their personal drive, where to upload the photos. This is an option that you have. This requires a minimal setup, and they basically can handle all the photos, or they can put the photos wherever they want in their drive. As a school, you can decide if that's something that you want or not. So if you decided not to have that ability to let them upload anywhere in their drive, you can also turn that off here with this option, allow users to upload to their personal drive. If I do that, I'm gonna turn off that option. Okay, and then here on the drive, so next time I start the app, so let me do that. We're gonna remove it and then start again. Then the next time, they basically will not have access. They will only have access to the team assigned folders, or to the school assigned folders, which is the user folder. Okay, right now there is no other folders assigned to them. Okay, so let's do that. Let me show you how to create a folder other than the user folder to assign to this user and to other users. So I'm gonna go and create sort of a shared folder. So let's call it here, for example, grade A or grade 5, right? And I'm gonna assign this user, which was this, to this folder, okay? And here, obviously, if I had more people, I could assign more people to this particular folder. So I'm gonna create that folder. Okay, and then that folder should immediately show right here on the left. So this user can actually start taking photos. So there we go. So here is grade 5, and I can start taking photos to it. So this is a great way to create folders where multiple people will collaborate, okay, and multiple people will add. So this is great also, for example, to go to when kids go to an excursion or to a trip, they could actually, your staff can all put the photos into one single folder, okay. And another important point of here, the admin panel, is that you have this school feed, which is basically a way to see all the photos that have been uploaded by your staff to their user folders or to their school assigned folders. So here's a quick way to get an overview of all the photos. You could filter by the folder or who uploaded the photos and a date range. So this allows you to quickly see all the photos that your staff has been uploading. Thank you very much. I hope this has helped as an overview of how SchoolCam works. And if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer them and give you a more detailed walkthrough if you need to. Thanks.